Hey everyone, so let's take a look at how to make a call using your Punchy software. So being able to call through our either phone-based or app-based click-to-call software will enable you to reach your customers faster, and it will give you a leg up. It will give you a major leg up because when you call through our software and through your smart number, Punchy automatically records the phone call and relays it to you so that you have an audio record of what went on during the phone call. So this will enable you to better review it in the future, and if it's the important information, to access it easily. So let's take a look at this. So we're on our dashboard now. Let's go over to contacts, and we have this contact John Doe that I just put in. So our contact number is right here. So all we have to do to call him is click this little button right here.
Please wait.
And the Punchy software connects the call for you right there, right from your desktop. And you can choose to go about calling either app-based or phone-based. Right now we have it in app-based, which this works similar to Skype. It just calls right through the app. Or if you'd prefer to route it through your personal phone, but still through Punchy software, you can click on phone-based. And that's how to make a call using Punchy software. Learn more, check out our YouTube channel, and have a great day.